Hey, what's up everyone? You reached Tuck Nuts Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker. I'm your stock host. Welcome if you're new. If you're not, welcome back. Welcome subs and welcome new viewers and old viewers. I've got some biomedical stocks to give you today and some other type of stocks. And I think you might benefit from. These are from my source. So I'm going to jump into it. There was a huge catalyst that happened with ticker symbol CHEK. That's a CheckCap. CheckCap receives FDA IDE approval for pivotal study of C-SCAN copyright. What is C-SCAN? I'm going to get into that, and this is what you'll see and understand what is the big deal about this and why it went up 103% today, which was like, the stock went up to 472 and then it's now at 311 at the time of the filming of the video. But C-SCAN, C lowercase S-E-N, is the first and only patent-friendly, preparation-free screen test to detect polyps, P-O-L-Y-P-S, before they transform into colorectal cancer, or CRC. Today's U.S. FDA has approved the company's investigation device exemption, IDE, application permitting CheckCap to begin to have a pivotal study of C-SCAN in the United States. C-SCAN is intended for candidates who are at average risk for CRC, which is colorectal cancer, and who are poor candidates for colonoscopy or having a decline in their colonoscopy. That's what they're looking for. Those are the patients they're looking for. But this is a really big deal for the future. Huge. And so basically, this is the CHEK or CHEK. It's $3.11. The history was in back last year. It was 30 cents on December 24th. It went up to $1.50, and then it went to $2, and then it went down to $1.25, and then after this news, it went from $1.25 to $4.77 was the high, and then it closed off and sold off at $3.11, and it's probably below that by now. The second stock I'm going to talk to you guys about is KMPH, Kemp Farm. That stock also had a big deal sell-off. There's a big catalyst that happened today, and the problem with these sell-offs is the big fish get to sell off their stocks before us individual investors, and just like they get to buy beginning, like before hours and the pre-hours and the after hours, they get to do this too. I'm learning this right now, as you maybe too or already know. I don't know, but you have to have a profit target, meaning you got to have like a price point at which you know you're going to say, okay, Tucker, I'm going to get out at this like number, okay? And then you want to know, when are you going to be locking in your profits? So basically your profit target is what you think you see, and then you have to have your own, like, okay, at this number I am going to sell, okay? Because these stocks just shut off and they, pump and dump. Next stock is ticker symbol DVAX. It had a positive catalyst coming up. Ideal price point is between $8 and $8.50. Ideal price point for KMPH is $8. And the ideal price point for check, I forgot to say, was $2, between $2 and $3. Yeah, so I'm not going to tell you what the coming up. DVAX positive catalyst, I don't know, but I'm not going to tell you. The next one is AQST, and that is $5.55. Keep an eye on it. It used to be $8 in January. Its history was it was $8, and then it went to $4.77, then went to $3.90, and then it went to $5.50, which is the ideal price point, and then it sold off to $7. Well, $7 is actually the ideal first price target we've set when we made this first video. I don't know, probably a month ago. So those are 4 stocks they've given you right now, and I'm not going to give you any longer of a video. I hope you like this video. I hope you take these risks and manage your whatever you're going to put in and put out, and stay on top of it. These stocks, as you know, if you're dealing with farm, it's fast and it goes, but there also is some that have a steady rhythm building up. And I wrote one of them down. Yeah, here they are. I just found them. But I don't know. I might have to charge you for them. But I can tell you that these stocks, these 4 other stocks, have huge potential. They've got a great run up so far. They're slow and growing, but they are good ones to focus on right now. And I will probably put them on my Instagram to give you ticker-like ideas of what they are, because I don't want to tell you them now. It's just too much information. Love you guys. Have a good night. Stay tuned for the next one. On Instagram at TuckerMLO, and my blog's #TucksBlog, and this is Tuck Notes on YouTube. Late.